Hey, boys and girls, welcome to the Do Now. Okay, number one, find the volume of a cylinder. What is this? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So the volume of a cylinder is area of the base times the height. The base would be the top or the bottom, and that obviously is a circle. What's the area of a circle? Pi r squared times the height. Okay, what's the radius? Boom, it says 4. It's pi times 4 squared. What's the height right here? Which is 6. There we go. Okay. Calculator it up. Pi times 4 squared is 16. I'm going to do that in my head and just put it right there. Times 6 is 301.6. I notice the answers are in the nearest tenth rounded, so about 301.6 centimeters cubed. There we go. 301.6 centimeters cubed. So that answer would be closer to B. There we go. Maybe they use 3.14 for pi, so that's why they have 0.4. We got 0.6. Same kind of thing because it's really close. Okay, B is the answer. Let's try this one. Ooh, okay. So which one is not necessary to prove the side? Which of these steps do you not need? Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, go. All right, let's see. So with all of these, make sure you draw the picture. So here's my picture right here. So I'm going to mark it up with what it says in the proof. This is what you got to do. So I'm looking at the parallel stuff. So AB is congruent to DC. All right, AB is congruent to DC. So I go here. AB is congruent to DC. Add that to my picture, okay? AD is congruent to BC, all right? AD is congruent to BC, all right? I'm doing 2 marks because it's probably not the same measure. This could be 5, this could be 6, or you don't know. You don't know they're equal, so that's why I put 2 marks rather than 1. What other congruent stuff we have? Angle A is congruent to angle C, okay? Angle A is congruent to angle C, all right? And BD is congruent to BD because reflexive property, cool. So that means they share this side, it's just equal. And so they're saying that side proves them congruent. So what do you not need in this picture? Side. We don't need this angle stuff. That was not necessary because all we're doing is proving side. We don't need this angle because we have side, angle, side. If it said side, angle, side, that'd be good, but it doesn't. It just says side. So step 3 is unnecessary. So that would be C. There we go. All right, let's try this one out. Bump it up a little bit. Woo! Okay. So you may want to make your screen a little bigger for this one. So, which order should these go in? What order? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you mix them around to make them the correct order for a proof? Ready, set, go. All right, this is what I do. So I got my stuff right here. So you got the statements. Remember that? And the reasons. Remember that? So the first thing you always do is the given stuff, right? So always you write the given stuff down. And that is given. Okay? You always write the given stuff down. What do you write last? Oh, what you prove. So you write AB is congruent to CB. That's the last thing. You got a bunch of ish right here and here. The last thing you write is AB is congruent to CB. Why? Congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So that is CPCTC. So let's write it out. Congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So this is the last, this is the first. So I'm just going to look for that first. So given, that's 3. So that can be either B or C. And the prove part is 4. So it starts with 3, ends with 4. It doesn't end with angle, side. No. That is another step on the way to proving it. So that's a common misconception. This proof does not end with proving the triangle is congruent. You got to go one step further. So 3 is the first, 4 is the second. So B is your answer. Nice job, everybody. If you did another way, that's cool too.